guys, it's TheCurlySage. Welcome back to another video. So as you can see in the title, I'm going to be doing like an updated puff routine kind of thing. Anytime I'm not doing a protective hairstyle, I normally wear my hair up in a puff just because I like how it looks and it's fast and easy to do. But yeah, if you want to see how I got this puff, just keep watching. So I'm doing this on a twist out that's been a bit fluffed out, and for my puffs I literally just use a hair tie, but this hair tie has been like stretched out over time compared to this hair tie. This hair tie is also very stretchy, like it stretches a lot, but it's really strong, so if I let go it just snaps back to a really small circle, so I can't use this one because the puff will end up being very small. So this is a hair tie I use because the elastic in this one is not as strong, but all I do is literally just slick my hair up into a ponytail, then I just spritz around the perimeter with some water just to get my curls popping and just so I can get it a bit slick. And I always leave out some little curly pieces, so one at the back and then two on the sides of my head, just because I don't know, I just like how it looks.
You're always in my ears, but you're never there. You're never there when I...
So after that, I just take my hair tie and then I just put it around the hair that I gathered up into a ponytail, and then make sure you gather the hair like where you want your puff to be. So I like mine pretty high. So I put the hair tie around my hair. I only put it around once, I don't double tie it, and then I just put it towards the back. And the back is what I start pushing up first. So after I have it around all of my hair, I just start kind of like slicking all of the hair underneath the hair tie just so I can get like a really sleek, slick puff.
You're the reason my life poetic. I swear to God, it's a new era.
And after I have everything kind of sleek, that is when I just kind of gather everything into a ponytail again and then just start pushing up towards the back. And before, when I used to use like a really big hair tie, I would actually put it around my neck and do the slicking, but since I can't fit it around my big head, I have to do it this way, but it works, it still works pretty well. And after I have it where I want to, just kind of start fluffing it out and just like adjust the hairs where I want them.
Need another hit from up above like thunder.
And then I take my pick and just start picking to make it really big and puffy, hence the word puff.
Do your damn thing, do your thing a thing. I'm always around.
And I do a lot of looking in my mirror just so I can see how it looks from all angles and adjust what needs to be adjusted.
You're always in my ears, but you're never there. You're never there when I need you most. I need you now. I need you to find out. I need you right now. You and me, baby.
And now it's time to deal with the little frizzy pieces. So you don't have to do this step, but I just like to because like I like big frizzy puffs, but I want some curl definition in there too. So I just spritz some of the ends with some water and just twirl it around my finger to get some curls going on, and then you'll later see me use some gel just for the stubborn pieces that don't want to curl up. And again, I only do this on the ends because if I do it on like the whole entire puff or like the roots, then it'll just shrink up and it won't be as big as I want.
Really wanna work it out. Why you up and ready to leave? Didn't think you'd turn around. Baby, when you threatened me, you said you're over the fighting. I comprehend. I comprehend. How can I reverse it all? Taking back the words I spoke.
And then I just also add some water to those two sides I left out at the front.
What if it was all a joke? I know it's not funny anymore.
And then it's time to do the baby hairs, and my apologies, I was not in frame doing this, but I don't do anything special, just do them how you like to do them.
I can only take so much. They for granted all the patience they have for us. When a woman...
Now this is the only other hair tool I use just so I can get a really sleek look at the front. I just take one of these clips. I actually take two and do this on both sides, but I just take some and slick it up and then just clip it so the hair stays slick.
When a man's fed up, you'll know. If you got a good man, don't let him go. Don't let him go. Don't let him go. Go, let him if you don't, you get it. Ooh, don't.
And after that, that, I'm just taking my mirror again just to check all sides and all angles, just to make sure everything's like all good, because like, you know, sometimes you have like one little like random dent or one random hair sticking out. I'm just checking to make sure it looks good from like all sides.
Right there, through all of my frequency.
And this is the finished result.
What is different from before? Did I push you over the edge this final time? I don't blame you, I know I would lose my mind.
But that was the tutorial, guys. Hopefully you guys enjoyed. Hopefully it helped you. And it's kind of annoying because anytime I do a hair tutorial, it's like it doesn't always turn out how I want. Like, I've done puffs that look way better than this, but this is pretty much how I do them. Like, I find it works best when my hair is a bit stretched because my shrinkage is disrespectful. If you're new to my channel, I actually call my shrinkage Shrinkisha. I like have a name for it. But yeah, I always do my puffs on hair that's stretched out in some way, usually twist outs. The best puff I got was when I took out my box braids, and you know when your hair is like stretched from taking them out, and then I put it in a puff and did the same thing where I like wet the ends and like made the ends more curly. And that was the best puff I've ever had. I think I have a picture. But just having it stretched and then like wetting the ends so your ends curl up, that's what I do now. I just feel like I get the biggest puffs doing it that way. And if anyone was wondering, these glasses are from AliExpress for like $2, so yeah. But yeah, thanks for watching. As always, it's the Curly Sage signing out. Peace.